Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the truth behind the controversial figures in the health and wellness industry. Today, we're diving deep into the dishonest downfall of Nikocado Avocado, a self-proclaimed mukbang king, who rose to fame for eating large quantities of food on camera. But as it turns out, his antics may have been hiding a dark secret about his health. Nikocado Avocado, also known as Nicholas Perry, is a YouTube personality who gained fame for his mukbang videos, in which he eats large quantities of food while interacting with his audience. In recent years, Nikocado Avocado has come under fire for his dishonest and misleading practices regarding his health and diet. One of the main concerns about Nikocado Avocado's health is his excessive consumption of high-calorie and unhealthy foods in his mukbang videos. Despite claiming to be a health guru, Nikocado Avocado regularly eats large amounts of processed and fast food, as well as indulging in excessive snacking. He has been criticized for promoting unhealthy eating habits to his young and impressionable audience. Furthermore, Nikocado Avocado has been caught in multiple instances of dishonesty regarding his health and diet. In 2018, he was exposed for lying about his weight loss journey, claiming to have lost over 100 pounds through diet and exercise, when in reality, he had undergone weight loss surgery. He also falsely claimed to be a certified personal trainer, and has been accused of using before and after photos that were not of himself. Additionally, Nikocado Avocado's behavior towards his fans and other YouTubers has been heavily criticized. He has been known to bully and harass other YouTubers, and has been called out for manipulation and gaslighting his fans and followers. His behavior has led to a loss of support from his audience and fellow creators. The dishonest and harmful practices of Nikocado Avocado have led to a downfall in his reputation and career. Despite his initial success, his lack of transparency and integrity have caused many to question the legitimacy of his content and message. It is important for creators on social media to be honest and responsible in the messaging they promote to their audience, especially when it comes to sensitive topics such as health and wellness. Thanks for watching our video on the dishonest downfall of Nikocado Avocado. As always, be sure to do your own research and consult with a medical professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this. Stay informed, stay healthy.